Hey guys, I found another platform that is paying. It's an investment platform actually, but you all know the rules of this platform. Invest early and cash out early. You understand? Invest early, cash out early. Any money you see on your dashboard, withdraw ASAP. You understand? You don't wait for it to accumulate more. You withdraw. And also, while investing, invest your spare money, the money that you can afford to lose. See, this platform, one sweetest thing about this platform is that if you register, it will give you instant bonus of 1.5, which you can withdraw once you buy a product for them. And minimum product you can buy for them is 3,000, which means you are getting half of your money back immediately. You understand? You are not, even if anything happens, you are not going to lose anything at all. So I saw this platform. I said, okay, I've earned, my friend have earned, I've tested it, it's working. I said, okay, this is the platform for you guys. I'm gonna bring it for you guys. So why investing? Invest wisely, like I always said. If it is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Nkirika. You can also call me Coach Nikki. What we'll do here is all about how I make my money online, and I want to teach you how I do the same. I teach you how to fish, not to give you fish. You understand? I teach you how to fish, not to give you fish. So if it's the first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Put on the notification bell so that anytime I upload my video, you'll be first to know. And my old subscribers, thank you for always coming through for me. And please like and comment, also share, so that others will see this video. You know, we are in Christmas and people want to make money, so others want to make money too, as well as you. So please, thank you. Let's dive into the video to show you how to register, deposit, and also withdraw. It's as simple as ABCD. You can withdraw your half of your money ASAP. So let's dive into the video right away. So guys, all you have to do, click the link on my description area or comment section. If you click it, it will bring you here. Then all you have to do is input your phone number. Let's say, okay, let me input my phone number, 9. Then put in your password details. So once you input your phone number and your password, you click register. You understand? Once you register, it will give you instant 1.5, which you can withdraw immediately. It will bring you here. It will give you instant 1.5. As you can see, it will give you instant 1.5. Then all you have to do is to click on this recharge. You understand? Depending on the product you want, if you want to look for the product you want, you click this product down here. Click it down here and product. So the 3,000 naira own has been sold out for today. It's until tomorrow. You understand? It's until tomorrow. You can equally do 6,000 naira own, which will be giving you 1/8 daily, which you can withdraw. You understand? After 24 hours, it will drop on your dashboard and you can withdraw immediately. So you check the one you want to do. You see 12,000 naira on, 25,000 naira on. Then you go back, click on you can join the Telegram group in case of any information. You understand? You get it from there. You click on recharge here. Once you click on recharge, you input the amount you want to invest. You click 6,000. If it is 3,000, you click it depending on what you want. What happened? Okay, see it here. Depending on what you want, you click recharge. Then you copy this account number here and go back to the to your bank and pay. Once you have paid, you come back and click have made payment. Then you wait, it will reflect on your dashboard. Once it reflects on your dashboard, you come to this product here, click on it. and invest in anything. This one will come up tomorrow by 10 o'clock. They normally update it every 10 o'clock because it's already sold out. So that's just it. Then if you want to invite your friends, you click this theme, you copy your link and invite them. You understand? So if you want to withdraw, you go to your home, you click withdraw. Okay, you click withdraw. Then you click on this, please select bank account. You click on it, add your account details. Once you're done, then you put your amount that you want to withdraw, like this one 5. I cannot withdraw it now because I've not recharged. You understand? I've not bought any product, so I cannot withdraw until I bought any some product. That's when I can withdraw this money. You understand? So that's just it. Always remember, invest wisely, and no, once you invest early, you profit early enough before anything happens. So that's just it. If you have any question, click the link on the description area and join my community and ask any question you want to ask. It will be answered immediately. You understand? So that's just it.